sacredly chair this forum for which she has worked so tirelessly. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sherry Aite.
Nananum, and our Queen Mother is also here. Let's give. And then we have members of the private sector. And we have our distinguished guests and from academia and also from our NGOs partners. As chairperson of tonight's function, I welcome all of you on behalf of the government, and also I welcome all of you on behalf of the Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology. And I extend my warmest congratulations to Africa 2 Green International for keeping their promise to establish a biotech center in West Africa with Ghana as the hub, and also for partnering government to pioneer the Ghana Green Technology Park project in Central Region. 2 years ago, this consortium introduced the inventor of the technology for producing biodegradable products to us. They also showed us products made out of sugarcane and other agricultural waste. But they quickly indicated that it would take some time to get the products here because of the high demand of these products in Asia and Europe. As part of government's plans to establish science and technology parks in Ghana, we welcome the proposal to do a public-private partnership project to realize aspirations of the consortium and government. We have every reason to be excited today for this great initiative of the consortium led by the President, Mr. Kojo Yankah. The increase in population in Ghana from 18 million to 24 million is consistent with the population growth trends in sub-Saharan Africa, of which about 45% of the population are below the age of 30 years. Your Excellency, the benefits of green economy are therefore enormous and could create millions of jobs, generate new markets, stimulate new technologies, and provide opportunities for dynamic new businesses, and in the process yield massive social and economic benefits, while at the same time conserving the natural system upon which we depend.
Your Excellency, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Honorable John Dramani Mahama, Madam Chairperson Ms. Sherry Aite, Minister of Environment, Science and Technology, Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, Obrempon Yamfor Krampa the 11th, Mahine of Gomoe Jumako Traditional Area, and other Nananum, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. 3 years ago, my university, the African University College of Communications, decided to establish the Institute of Green Studies. The idea was to delve deeper into environmental journalism and communication and give the opportunity to expose our students and journalists to prevailing climate change and all its consequential influences on our search for sustainability in our natural resource management. About the same time, in our search for more information and for relevant collaborators, an international company named Return to Green International came our way. This was a company based in California and engaged in tracking green technology throughout the world and marketing green products, essentially biodegradable packaging from cornstarch and other sources. When I had the opportunity to travel to California, I met with the CEO and President David Ludwig, who could not join us tonight but has brought his presentation, and Lily Hay, Executive Vice President of Return to Green International, who is here. I came back to Ghana not only to register Africa to Green and carry on with the green business, but also to be soon introduced to a new technology from Malaysia. The inventor, with 4 patents then, was in his late 30s, and he was announced as having emerged from a 4-year research into the use of agricultural waste for the production of biodegradable products. Madam Chairperson, from the time I met Professor Ramanes, I began reading about the green economy and the green industry, and I immediately saw in the concept the key to the transformation of the economies of developing countries, especially ours in Africa.